Let's begin with your first breathing exercise. Lay down on the back like me and put your feet on the ground. Then relax. Try to yawn like this. This way you get really relaxed. We will breathe in silently into the mouth and we will breathe out of the mouth with an F, like this. And put one hand on the solar plexus, the other one on the lower belly. And just watch, just feel your breath coming and going. Three times more. Make sure that your chest stays low as your solar plexus and your lower belly go up. We breathe in. We breathe out on an F. And you can control your chest to stay down. Four more times. Okay. It's good to do these exercises every day, daily. And the best time to do exactly this exercise when you lay down is when you're already in bed in the evening. When you just lay in your bed and you're relaxed already, just put your feet up on the mattress and just relax, breathe in, breathe out, and this way you also get a little bit more tired and can sleep better. This exercise is especially for singers who also play the piano or the guitar or maybe the drums while they sing on stage, so they usually have to sit down while singing. Okay, let's begin. Start with a little yawn to relax your upper body. Okay, there's a little trick if you can't yawn really. Take the tip of your tongue and put it as back as you can to the uvula. And then move the tip of your tongue left and right. And the yawning begins. Okay, so now you're relaxed. And we again will breathe in silently into the mouth and breathe out with an F. Okay, let's start. Okay, and put your right hand on the solar plexus, the left hand on the lower belly, and we do this again, 4 times. And to make sure you don't go into the chest breathing like this, because when you sit it's really easy to go back in the chest. That's wrong. Put your right hand on the chest now and the other hand on the belly, and control the chest that it stays down as low as possible. Four more times, so really relaxed. Okay. Also practice this daily, because it's so easy to fall back in the chest breathing. You need to remind your body to breathe low. Now we're going to stand and breathe, because usually when we sing, we stand. Okay, we begin with your legs. Put your feet as wide as your hips. This is too narrow for me. This is too wide. When I look at my hips, I go down with my hands. This is a great width for me. Okay. Now yawn to relax your body. Okay. Breathe in silently into the mouth, and we breathe out with an F. And be relaxed with your knees. Be relaxed. Stand straight, but not too straight. This will be too straight. Just relax your knees. Okay. Let's begin. Now put your hands again here, and good. Now put one hand on the chest to check the chest that it stays low. And again, 4 times.